Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful small motif titled citrus string. It's just a 2-round pattern and it can be used, it is of great use to variety of projects. Friends, so let's go into the video directly. Chain 4, slip stitch to the first chain and make a ring, chain 1 and secure. Now you can start with chain 4, which counts as double crochet and chain 1, or make a double crochet, standing twisted double crochet, and chain 1, double crochet. So totally we should have 8 double crochets and 8 chain 1 spaces. Continue, and let me mark this my first double crochet, the top of the stitch of first double crochet. Here it is, this and this, it is already gone into the side. So when I come back, if I don't mark it, it is going to give me trouble. Okay. So make chain 1, double crochet. Totally you should have 8 double crochets and 8 chain 1 spaces. Complete the round. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here, first round here. So now instead of chain 1 and slip stitching, make a single crochet in that very first stitch, so that we come to the center of the chain space, and in this space you're going to place half double crochet, treble, double, half double. Okay, so chain 1 and make a half double and place a stitch marker over there, then a double crochet, a treble, a double, half double. Again in the next chain space, half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, double crochet, and a half double. So continue placing this set of stitches in every chain 1 space and complete the round. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here. Slip stitch to the first half double crochet, pull the loop from front to back. Yes, and here we go. We have the beautiful citrus ring in our hands. So hope you enjoyed this small little motif, friends. I shall be back with another pattern in the next video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you, friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.